life move fast and you do what you want. I guess I know what I want. Hope you know what you want. But what you want?
Let me hold you.
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe.
Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is 𝐒𝐿𝐻sm, and I post vlogs, beauty content, and just lifestyle videos. I have been up since 8, but it's currently 10:36. Today's Saturday, and I have a couple of things to do: clean the bathroom, do my laundry, and do my assignments, but out the house, so I'm not lazy. So yeah, spend this Saturday with me. I don't know if I'm going to add tomorrow to this vlog, but I guess we'll see. Right now I'm going to go to the closest 99 to get a to get some cleaning products that I need for the bathroom, because we ran out in this house. So yeah, let's do that.
In the meantime, it's some me time. Hope you know what you want.
I'm back from the store right now. Before cleaning the bathroom, I'm going to make myself something to eat. I'm thinking a breakfast wrap with some bacon and iced coffee. And we have all of that at home, so you're going to do it with me. But first, I need to arrange these dishes that are already done. So I'm going to do that right now. Found them. Hi you guys, I am back home, and actually I've been home for about 50 minutes now. I was just watching Pop the Balloon. I plan to eat some salmon with rice later, but right now I'm hungry, and this comes in handy. We got this from Ghana. If you know what this, if you don't know what this is gari, and in here it's gari, it's the cream and groundnuts and sugar. But I'm trying to, okay, because you're very rude, so I had to make sure. You are, actually. Okay, this is what this looks like. The top is in a large, and it looks like it's a large, Wait. I hope you guys can see because I wish I could zoom in, but I forgot how to zoom in on the camera. But this is what it looks like. The bottoms though, it's a large. Good morning, you guys. Today is Sunday. It's currently 9:49, and I'm waiting for my sister. She's in the shower, and I'm just going to be doing my makeup right now so that we can go. And really, I feel like doing my makeup just to wake me up because I'm still kind of sleepy, but I haven't been to church in 2 Sundays. So, and I don't know if you guys have noticed, but I got a new camera. It's right here. Show you. I mean, I'm filming with it right now, but here is the box. I was so excited when it came in. I think it came in on Thursday. I think. I'm so happy.
I know there's somebody who loves me. Somebody who really loves me. And that's all I need. Me and my hair is turning up another night. We smoking broccoli, but she smelling like a rat. Loving her pennies, trying to get out in a cry. Friends are my friends, and they trying to get.
To stay. Can I have steak? Need my favorite drink.
And he's trying to get out in a cry. Friends are my friends and they trying to get. Her name is Angel, but she's far from God. Say they don't pay well to fall.
So these are the stuff that I ordered for, but I can't wait for them anymore. Okay. Need one more thing. All I'm looking for right now is raspberry tea because I heard that it's so good with cramps. So that's what I'm trying to get right now. Oh, okay, I found one. Hold on. That one. This one, but I don't want it. It's not what I want. Raspberry. Oh, I found it. It took so long. Alright. It expires in 2028, so that's good. Yeah. So I have everything I came here for. But I did get lint rollers. I mean, just one. Because my mom was asking this morning and no one had any in the house. So yeah, that's why I just got it. Oh, I really see this matcha latte by Jade Leaf on Amazon, but I'm not going to get it. I'm not. I feel like I want to stand on something else, but I just don't know what to. I might just go home. Yeah, you guys are going to do my homework with me. And then what else? Oh yeah, so homework, editing, and then movies. I'm not going to fold my clothes. I'm not going to. I never actually do that. Like fold my clothes right after. No. Honestly, I'm not going to do that. So yeah, let's get started on my assignments.
Must be the start, but something lining up. Not my exit was bad, but you find out. Oh, no, no, no. Yeah, yeah. Somebody who loves me in the building. Somebody who feels me in the building. We throw 50,000 took the trophy, let the shorties take the yacht. We all in Santos, I rented out the spot. Friends, all of my friends, and they tryna get God. Her name is Angel, but she must forgot. She said her bestie wanna get home and swap. I said I'm shy, baby, and that's doing a lot. I'm tryna do more than bust down your wide. I need somebody who gon' meet me at the top. Who's out there for me? Who's out there for me? Who's out there for me? Say it don't pay well to fall in love. I need the stars or something lining up. Thought my ex bitch was bad, but she found out. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Somebody who loves me in the building. Somebody who feel me in the feeling. We throw 50,000 in the ceiling.
I am done with my assignments now. I submitted them. Well, it was just one assignment and about 7 discussion posts that I did, and I'm done and exhausted. But right now I'm just going to wash my face and take a shower just so I don't get lazy. I don't know what time it is right now, but it should be like 6 or 7 something. And I took off my makeup. I took it off before doing my assignment. No, in the midst of doing my assignments, I got up to go take off the makeup because I couldn't have it on my face anymore. So yeah, let's just wash my face right now. And I still use the Hydro Boost, but I only use it on days that I wear makeup. For every other day, I use the Dove bar soap, the regular one. Hold on. This one is what I wash my face with every day.
Yeah, oh, you know I like to have fun. I like to take them back on the old school shit. Yeah, the money talking like my business. Seeing these brand new kids, they shootouts in different places. Gotta talk overrated. That money come different phrases. Yeah, heard these niggas.
I just got out the shower, and this is me signing out for the vlog for today. We have accomplished so much in this vlog, from doing the laundry, doing the assignments. Talking about the assignments, it's been graded and it had a 50 over 50 period. Yeah, we did the assignments, we did the laundry. What else? So we went shopping, we went out to eat. Not really went out to eat, but we got lunch together, cleaned the bathroom. It's been a lot. A productive 48 hours. It's been a productive 48 hours. Right now I'm going to start editing, and I'm going to start continuing watching Stranger Things. If you have watched up until this point, how about you like that video? Like, how about that? Like it, comment what your favorite part about the video was, and definitely subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you guys in the next vlog. Yeah, I believe that's it for the video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.